Hello there everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install a custom um, Origins, how to install a custom Origin. I'm pretty sure that's what they call the custom Origins. I don't know, I'm not really into Origins. But anyways, first thing you're going to want to do is I can't spell, but Fabric download. And you're going to want to go to fabricmc.net and click on download here. Click on download installer windows.exe, and then once that's done downloading, you're going to want to open up your downloads folder, and as you can see here, you now have the fabric installer.exe in your downloads. Now, just like how you would install Forge, double click on it, and it's going to ask to run, and then change the Minecraft version to 1.16.5. Now, it is ready to go. Now you can just press install, and bam. Now, what you need to do for the next part, and I already have these mods downloaded, but you probably won't, so you're going to want to search Fabric API, and you're going to want to go to the CurseForge link and go to Files and download for 1.16.5, the version that we just downloaded. I mean, if you didn't download for 1.16.5, you're not going to be downloading for 1.16.5. Origins mod. Now, search up Origins mod, and just like that, you will come across the Origins mod. Now, you can once again go to Files and download the newest game version. And then close that, and you can out of that tab. We won't need it anymore. And now I'm gonna delete these two extra. I don't need them. But now the way we actually use these is we have to go to if you press Windows, the Windows key on your computer, and R. Now that should open up a screen like this, but it should be empty in this area. Now what you're going to want to do is type %appdata%, and just like that, you will be able to press OK, and it will open up this folder, which allows you to click on .minecraft and then click on .mods. Or wait, it's not even .mods, it's mods. Okay. Anyways, and then from there, go to your downloads and then drag the Origins mod and the Fabric API into your mods folder. And as you can see, I do have the custom Origin already downloaded, but I will show you how to download it. And then click on this and open it. Now, once you run Minecraft, you're gonna want to make a world, because you need a world file for this. So, and then let's go Mojang Studios, enemies, single player. If I create a new world called, I don't know, let's just call it Origins, and now I'll choose on. I'll just make it a creative, okay? But you just need cheats after this, but by the way, because you need an orb of Origin right at the start, because you'll see why. But anyways, I'll just click human for now, and then let's go back into our folder. Now, if we save and quit game, and go to .minecraft, and then we go to saves, and then we go to the Origins, and then data packs. We can go to the Origins Discord server, which I don't know the link to it, so my friend invited me to this, so I have no idea what it actually is, so you'll have to find that on your own. But then scroll down to the data packs and Origins data packing, and then you just download whichever one you want. I downloaded this one right here by Bills called Robot 1, and then you take that and you take its zip, which is what downloads, and you extract it, and then delete it, and then you drag the robot 1 into your database folder, and then you can close all that, and you can open this and run Minecraft. And then when you open up Minecraft again, you should be able to see that there is, once again, a new origin in there. So let's wait until it loads up. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now if I go search Orb of Origin, we can go back a little and see that here is robot 1, and I can just click select